What if your everyday browser became your AI teammate? No extensions. No complicated setups. No switching browsers. Just describe the task and watch it get done. Welcome to Composite, the AI agent that works inside your existing browser. It types, clicks, scrolls, navigates websites, and completes full workflows while you focus on what really matters. There's no setup, no APIs, and no learning curve. Composite works with LinkedIn, Gmail, Slack, Jira, Notion, any web page you already use. And because it runs locally on your machine, your data stays private by default. While you're listening to this, Composite could already be filling out candidate forms, drafting outreach emails, or syncing data between tabs. What you're hearing now isn't a demo. It's a live recording of Composite navigating a real browser, clicking, scrolling, selecting, submitting, all in real time. If you're a recruiter, Composite fills candidate profiles, writes personalized emails, and syncs information between LinkedIn and your ATS. If you're a security engineer, Composite monitors alerts, correlates signals across tools, and creates tickets automatically. If you're in sales, Composite pulls reports, updates pipelines, and researches new leads. And for everyone else? Composite finds documents, drafts updates, and pulls dashboard metrics, without any effort. This isn't just automation. It's real-time, invisible, local help. You don't do the work anymore. You just describe it. If you're tired of repetitive browser tasks, let Composite take over. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. And let us know in the comments, what's the first task you'd hand off to your new AI agent?